Welcome everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome back to the channel, Welcome Tours. We're in the gorgeous Malta in Valletta, the capital in the central town, and we're going to take an evening stroll. So let's see Welcome. You guys all know the vibe. Hope everyone is doing well this evening. We've had a really nice day out in Valletta and we're really enjoying Malta, but let's have a little evening stroll. That's where we just come from, 59 Republic. Also had a drink at the pub. Famous pub where Oliver Reed, the actor, passed away. We're going to take a little walk up this main high street and then head back towards sort of somewhere to drink before getting some food and going back to where we're staying, which is in St Julian's. So these lights I think are getting turned on around the 25th, but they've already got all their Christmas decorations up. Okay, got all the shops. So let's see what's down here then. So you got the old castle. Oh, I'm not sure what it is. That's Queen Victoria. It's something. We don't know what. And so you got some souvenir shops. Everything you need. Really busy as well. It's obviously very popular. Obviously we are in the capital, so you'd expect that. There you go, not bad prices here. Prosecco, via the glass, sangria and wine, all €6. Not too shabby. Got an accessorise. So yeah, lots of places from like the UK and stuff. So if you come here, a lot of the shopping is basically what you get home. So you got like your Zara, your Next. Oh, look, the lights are on that one. There you go. And they're on that one as well. Timed, yes. Maybe these come on later. Yeah? Right, we're going to go, yeah, we're trying to look for someone to touch the football. Kirk has spotted a bar. Let's see what this is first, though. A little bit of a history stop before we get some booze. There we go. Right. So let's see what's down here. Oh, you got Monsoon as well. Oh, wow. From a distance, it looked. It did, yeah.
Is it the same bars I've been to earlier on?
Is it? Oh yeah, because we went past the Costa. Yeah, it is. Right, we're going to go back.
Yeah, we're going to carry on.
Right, false alarm.
Cat.
Yeah, retake. Right. So as you can see, some of the Christmas lights are on. Let's keep going down the main high street though. Oh, they're playing a Radiohead, Creep. To keep walking fast. Oh, let's have a look. Ah, it's like a little memorial. Nice little restaurant with a guitar player. San Pio the 5th, is that the 5th, 4th? Oh God, my Roman numerals are terrible. Some more London phone booths, boxes, phone booths. So yeah, we're in the shopping district, definitely. Got yourself the Body Shop. So yeah, it is a little bit weird because you kind of feel like you're at home because you suddenly see all these British shops. Yeah, got the spa as well. Another little area. Should we take a little wander up here? So yeah, we've not been here before. Rolex there. Rolex. Bit of Dizzy Rascal, if you know, you know. But yeah, we've never been to Malta, so this is really, really nice. I do like the capital. It's got a bit of everything. I love all these little bars, the lights. You got all these gorgeous buildings. Like, look at this one, big clock tower. It's like Back to the Future, isn't it? Okay, it's nothing like Back to the Future clock, but it's very, very large. What is this place? Look at those, big bell. Massive. Hopefully I'm doing it justice. So this is, there we go, showing Wednesday. So maybe it's a big sort of theatre. And then you got that as a backdrop. Your little restaurants. Got your 3 clocks. There you go, you guys can clock the time. Stone marker. Seen those, I think it must be a chain, sorry. So I've seen those dotted around this island. Comment below if you know. Valletta glass. Oh, very pretty. Let's have a little look at Valletta glass. Those snow angels. Nice with the Christmas tree. It smells like incense. Very, very nice. Stone maker. Yeah. Oh, we've got Kiko. Bit of makeup. Come to another little crossing. So many little like streets to get lost in. This is such a beautiful place just to not have anywhere to go and just take a wander. If that is your thing, you would love it here in the capital. Look at that going down, got the balls, everything ready for Christmas. Right, which way do you want to go? Oh, I don't know if any of these have got football on down here. Have a look on your phone quickly. Right, we'll do a quick. Where is the sports bar?
Oh, I looked for that. I didn't find many.
Oh. Looks like a little, is it a market down there?
Let's make them subscribe. Tell them to subscribe.
Right, whilst we are looking for where we're going, subscribe, like, share, and hype us up. Really do appreciate you guys. It really does help push the content. It means what we're doing. It just helps us kind of, you know, engage with the audience, know what you like, what you don't like. And it really, really does help us. So if you are enjoying the content, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already. This is Wagwan Tours. I'm Sabrina. That's Kirk. And we like to go to places and show you and see Wagwan. So yeah. Right, let's go this way.
Let's go up here quickly and then we're going to finish the video up here.
Yeah, and then we'll switch off. We might sort of come back when we found somewhere to watch the footy. Wholesale retail. It's a really cool little quirky places. These massive green doors. Oh, we might be coming to a dead end. Got some little gift shops. Oh, maybe in this one.
No, it's still not showing anything in the camera.
Maybe in that one, but no, it's just showing the tennis.
So that big queue there.
Yeah, what is that for? Let's go and have a look. There you go, you got your Fred Perry. God, I haven't heard about Fred Perry for years. That was everyone used to wear Fred Perry back in the day, didn't they?
Loved it.
Yeah, I love their Fred Perry.
So what was it? Brings that door up to the up and then
Yeah.
we're not going to get there.
So what is this place? Service. It's a church, guys. Let's try and be very respectful. So I think everyone's just attending a service. This place is known for having the most churches for an island. I think it has more than the days of the year. Don't quote me on that. Right. Was this place all lit up? Ooh, that's bright. Say I do a timeless wedding venue. Oh, there you go. Let's have a little look in here then. We do like grapes. She looks a little bit miserable, isn't she? Wow, this is really cool. It's like an open courtyard. Show you guys. Got the sky, got this huge. Really, really, really nice. Ah, very cool. Right, let's do a whole fancy shot. Hopefully you guys can see that well. Right, well, we're going to end it there because I need to find somewhere to watch the footy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you've enjoyed this content, and I'll see you guys on the next one.